In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an anterior medial reach, and we're going to be doing this on one leg. So firstly, pick which leg that you're going to balance on. For me, this is going to be my left leg. My right leg is going to come forwards, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come anterior, so for me, in front of or towards the camera, and then medial is going to be away from my left leg. So if it's a left leg, I'm coming this way. If I was balancing on my right leg, I'll be coming this way, almost in that diagonal opposite position to the leg that you're on. So from here, I'm going to come into my balance position. I'm going to reach forwards and medial as I bend my knee, and that looks like this. I'm going to try and keep my right foot at all times off the floor whilst I'm doing those repetitions. You, of course, would do an equal amount of repetitions on your first side as your second side, and the same goes with the amount of sets you do as well. So from a side view, left leg, pointing forwards, I get my balance, my other leg comes off the floor and it stays off the floor for all of my repetitions. From here, I then go anterior medial, and I'll repeat for my desired amount of repetitions on both sides.